Need to update your business address on Yelp? It's crucial for accuracy, SEO, and customer trust. As of 2025, Yelp requires ownership verification to prevent fraud, so unauthorized changes aren't allowed. First, you need to claim your business listing if you haven't already. Then verify your ownership. Yelp offers several verification methods, including phone verification, where Yelp calls your business with a code, postcard verification, where a postcard with a PIN is mailed to your listed address, and instant verification for eligible businesses using AI to scan public data. Minor address edits, like correcting typos, are usually instant after verification. However, major changes, like relocating to a new city, may trigger re-verification. Once verified, you can update your address in the business owner dashboard. Make sure the address is accurate for local SEO, as Yelp's algorithm uses location for search rankings. Always use the exact street address. P.O. boxes are not accepted. Temporary addresses for events can also be added. Keep in mind that changes must reflect real operations. False updates can lead to suspension. Linking Yelp with tools like Google Maps and Apple Maps can streamline address updates. Also, be aware of AI-assisted updates, which can suggest corrections based on user reviews. By 2030, blockchain integration is expected to make verification instant and fraud-proof.